What's up? About to lay this track down.
Hey, Kyle, trying to lay one down?
This nigga up. Come right at your neck, man. Skinny bitch ass nigga on camera. Sitting there looking like a dickhead. The man just switched on the man walked up the street. He's a faggot, man.
He's a faggot, nigga.
The girl, she really sucking on my jigger, man. He's talking shit. What the fuck is he wearing, man? His boots is ugly. Ugly as shit. What the fuck is that? You chewing on some plastic, bitch? Shit. Smack you in your fucking squig, make you faggot, bitch. Talking that shit. Get your dumb ass hit. Full clips. Pull out that big ass. Tell your girl, she on me on my ass dick. Tell your girl, when she open her mouth, I'm sticking my dick in it. And tell her she gonna be open her house. Yeah, she gonna be buying this shit. I'm getting paid, I'm getting laid in your house while your fucking mom's getting laid. Like, you don't understand. I'm talking all this fucking record shit, you don't understand. I'm like the fucking go-getters. This is my school. I don't know who the fuck is you, you not a scene. This is my school. You ugly as shit. Tell your girl, she gonna be sucking my dick. Like, you mean?
He gonna stand there and shit. He gonna stand there. I would have been walked the fuck up.
I ain't off Sesame Street. Fucking